Okay. Just like birds land on rocks and trees, they land on cathedrals and palaces, and they chit on them.
Wait, what?
With complete freedom.
I love this poem.
When you look at birds, they're funny little creatures. But once they're in the sky, they look so mighty. Riding on the wind, all borders disappear. And up there in the sky, they have no fear. If I were a bird, I'd rise above what feels unfair. Up in the sky, the world seems small. Do what I want, go anywhere, because I am free. Sing like a bird, caw-caw! I sound my call. So far beyond and gracefully out of reach from La Migra, politicians and boys who just wanna, if I were a bird, I'd chit on that. There's a mighty bird, we call it a quetzal, colorful and bright, a symbol of freedom. It's hardly ever seen because if it's captured, it would rather starve to death than take another breath. And I won't let no cage capture me. If I